Hi again. This is another in a series of videos brought to you by San Diego Defenders. I'm attorney Jon Pettis. The purpose of this series of videos is to help people who've been accused of crime or people who have loved ones who've been accused of crime try and figure out how to work their way through the criminal justice system for the first time. Today we're talking about solicitations you get in the mail concerning your DUI. We call it jail mail. And the title for this video is Beware Jail Mail. Now, what is jail mail? If you've been arrested for a DUI, starting somewhere around 2 or 3 days after your arrest, you're going to start getting in the mail letter after letter after letter from lawyers claiming they want to represent you and that they know how to do it. The reality is, each of these lawyers is simply paid for a list with your name and your address on it so they could send you this advertisement. It doesn't mean they're ready to represent you well in court. Now, here's a small example that one of our clients brought in of several dozens of the letters they saved, ultimately deciding just to throw away the rest. If you've been defending people in DUIs in San Diego County, I can guarantee I know you and I know your representation. But let's take a look at just a few of these examples. This is an attorney I've never heard of. This is an attorney I've never heard of. This is an attorney from Murrieta. This is an attorney from Los Angeles County. This attorney, he's a nice kid. He was in junior high school when I started practicing law. This one says former prosecutor. That's another way of saying, I think everybody's guilty and you should just plead guilty. Another attorney I've never heard of. Here's one that looks like a check. If you were stupid enough to hire someone because they sent you a letter that looked like a check, then you're in a lot of trouble. The bottom line is, just because a lawyer buys a list to get your name and address doesn't mean they're ready to represent you in court. You need to talk with your attorney before hiring them. Get to know them. Find out what experience they have in court. Do they have a trial record? How successful have they been in a trial? Going to trial is the single biggest advantage lawyers have, because it's through that that you get the reputation with judges and the prosecutors that you know what you're doing and you're going to put up a good fight. Just because someone sends you an ad in the mail doesn't mean you're going to get that. So beware of jail mail. Thanks very much.